Hey Sammy, what's going on here?
Building my indoor greenhouse.
So what are you gonna be doing here? Can you show us?
So my babies are gonna live here and grow hopefully into seedlings so that so that we have plants to grow. Normally I grow seedlings outside at the end of March.
Yeah.
But they're always late and I still like doing it, but the truth is I don't get a lot of produce from my crops. Lettuce and herbs is fine, but so this way hopefully we'll be able to grow some really nice seedlings and not have to buy as many from the community sales, and more people will have options. I don't know.
Yeah, so we got a 4 foot light
With 4 bulbs.
with 4 bulbs, so that's really powerful. And then Samantha is putting some cardboard on a folding table for insulation, and then we're gonna use some of the thick plastic that we're gonna put around to enclose it a little bit. And then we're in the basement, by the way, like we just made some room in our basement here. There is not a lot of light, just a few windows there. And then this light is connected to a timer, this one here, and then that timer is gonna be 8 hours of darkness.
9 hours of darkness.
9 hours of darkness, and the rest is gonna be light. And yeah, this is our basement. We keep here all the stuff. We build some shelves, and Samantha has a cool t-shirt wearing. Yeah! Okay, let's finish this. Woohoo! So show us, what have we done here?
That's the light on. Here's
So
our door flap.
that's the door.
Overlaps.
Oh,
It's not
overlaps.
perfect. We're testing.
Basically, it's a very like a do-it-yourself kind of idea, but this is the first time that we are doing this, and we are just testing. We are testing. When you test new ideas, you just have to get started, and then hopefully you just learn along the way, and the next year will be better. That's the secret. Okay? So,
Well, I'm halfway through planting seeds. A lot of work. Meticulous.
what do we
dropping
have
one seed
here?
at a time. We
Oh,
have
wow.
everything from marijuana to broccoli, columbine, chamomile, spinach to arugula, lettuce, parsley, kale, chilies, red peppers, tomatoes, everything under the
Look at
sun.
all the names and the sticks.
Eva sticks, her craft sticks. I took a whole bunch of them. Anyways, this is it, and we'll see what grows and what doesn't.
Yeah.